chair dips. So for chair dips, it's going to be an upper body exercise. We're going to use, again, a little bit of equipment for this one. So at home, you're going to use a chair, a bench, the sofa, something of that kind. I'm going to use here the ledge that I just have here. So we're going to have the hands on the ledge or on the chair. And we're going to bring the feet forward until you're in about 90 degrees. From here, your hands should be about shoulder width apart. We're going to come down with the glutes, bending at the elbows. Glutes should come almost to the floor, and then we're going to straighten at the elbows again and tense the triceps. You're going to have your triceps and your shoulders here under contraction, under tension, and we're just going to simply go up and down. You can make the exercise easier or harder with your foot position. So the further your feet are out, the harder the exercise is going to be. If you bring your glutes and your feet closer to the chair, the exercise is going to be a little bit easier for you.